Eric, James Freeman has been going on live on his YouTube and posting videos to his page saying the police chief attacked him, yet Freeman was arrested on suspicion of assault.
Where do you want it?
Or what? Step out of the way. Chief, no.
Chief, what the hell are you doing?
Take this.
Kidding me?
Let it go. Take this.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not holding anybody. I'm not holding anybody.
This is your fault.
I'm not holding anybody.
This is your fault, counselor.
Why are you doing this? Stop. I'm in a public area.
Can you guys just back up?
Guys, stop.
I'm documenting the beating.
Nolan, stop. Hey, call my wife.
Just back up.
Call all the Tucson guys.
So after getting the video sent to us, we head down to the Sahuarita Police Department, where we are met by a lieutenant just below the chief. Sorry, I'm all zoomed in, guys. Yep, this is where he was beat down, you guys. Right here. Hello? Hey, man. Hey, come here. I know you can hear me. I got some money for you guys. He's right there. He's just looking at us around the corner. I can see him around the corner. How you doing, sir?
Hi.
Hey, I'm looking for James Springer, man. You guys just beat him down here in the corner earlier?
Our lobby is closed.
What's that?
Our lobby is closed.
Your lobby's open till 5.
No.
Oh, you're trying to have us arrested, aren't you? No. Does it say your lobby's not open till 5?
Right here in the front.
I need some help. Can you help us with James Springer? Can you help us, though? Will you be able to help me if I step out? I'm in the AC, bro. Don't put me out in the sun. Let's just do this for 5 minutes real quick. I got money in my pocket for you, man. I can give you money. I can give you money. What?
Come on. Sir, can you bring your camera out? I'm sorry. We can't be in the lobby.
Come on, man. Let's just talk out here real quick.
Yeah. Sir,
You don't mind? What's your name? What's your name?
Lieutenant.
And your badge number, Lieutenant.
SP2.
You were involved in that beatdown, weren't you? I think I seen you on that film.
No, sir, I wasn't.
You're,
There was no beatdown.
no, yeah, there was a beatdown. I seen it.
Look at this.
What do you want to look at? I already Googled your facilities here, and the door was open to the public.
It is not.
Your door was open to the public.
It is closed. See?
Where is James Springer at? Where is he at? We need to get him. I'll give you the money you guys want for him. Where is he, man? Don't do this.
You don't need to be so aggressive.
No, I do. You guys were aggressive first.
come on out?
Hey, you know what would be aggressive?
Sir, please step
You know what would be aggressive right now?
Chief, what the hell are you doing?
You can wait for us out here.
No, listen, man, he's
You got a
elderly.
car?
Leave him
You in
alone.
a car?
Let's talk. Let's talk.
You in a car?
Hey, let's talk. Me and you, let's talk. Let's talk real quick. Let's talk.
I'm
No,
trying to get you out
you
of the
guys
car.
are going to get a huge lawsuit. We need to talk.
Okay.
We need to
that's
talk.
fine. We
Don't
can
get your
talk
hands
about
up.
it
Don't
later.
touch
I'm
me.
not putting my hands on you. I'm
Don't touch
asking
me.
you to leave.
No, I'm not leaving. We're not
You're in
leaving.
my way, sir.
The lobby is closed.
You're in my way.
The lobby is not closed. It's open
The
till
lobby
5.
is closed.
Why are you guys hiding this crime? Why are you guys hiding this crime? Speak into the mic. Speak into the
Sir,
mic. Why are you
step
guys hiding
out.
this crime?
Step out. Step out.
We need
Step out.
We need James Springer. You're going to run inside and hide like a
What's your name?
no lawful order. You're going to run inside like get him out here. Let him
If you
go.
want to wait for somebody to talk,
I will wait.
No,
You can wait.
I
I
can't
will
be
wait.
in-
It's too hot.
Go to your car.
I need their.
Well, who's going to get a hold of us at the
How
car
do I have
then?
a car here, sir?
Just
We need to talk to
just
somebody.
Wait right here, okay?
Are you going to bring
The
somebody
lobby
out?
is closed.
Are you going to bring
Where's
somebody
it
out?
say
You see the
Are you
sign?
going to bring somebody
Where
out?
is it?
Are you going to bring somebody out?
The lobby is closed.
I demand somebody to come out. Lieutenant, you're... For years, we've been told that the Sahuarita Police Department is full of the good old guys. Even James Freeman himself says 95% of them have his back. But what happens when their chief of police, John Noland, face slams somebody on the tile floor? Where are the good guys at? Now, these good guys, are going to show their true colors. Meet Sergeant Masterpole. When we arrived at Northwest Medical Center, where James Freeman laid in a hospital bed after being choke slammed into the tile floor, you're going to see for yourself how deep the lies and deception run. So we're just looking for James Freeman, brother. Make sure that he's safe and he's here.
I understand. Yeah,
If he's here, then we're out. We just want to
He
make
is.
sure he's safe. So he is here.
Yeah, so they
Okay,
told me
good.
to get his, I believe it was his wrist checked out.
Okay,
But yeah.
good. Well, thank you. Well, then, I mean, would you like to do the world an honor, bro? How would you like to be the first cop to arrest a bad cop, especially a chief? Can we show you the footage?
Oh, sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is your body cam on?
It is.
I'm going to show it away from your body cam because I don't want you guys, your chief of police, to have the evidence that he has against him. But would you be willing to try and work on getting him released if we showed you him getting aggressively attacked without being put under arrest? Would you be willing to attempt that? Because that's the only reason I want to show it to you. You have to make an attempt to free an innocent man, bro.
So, I'll be honest with you. If I see something on a video that clearly shows that some wrongdoing happened, The investigation's out of our hands. It actually went to the Marana Police Department.
Oh, it's going to Marana Police Department? I just want to point out, it's funny how probable cause magically disappears when it points at his boss. Then it magically becomes another agency's problem. You see that switch, guys? The sergeant knows we have evidence of the chief assaulting James. But notice how he punts it away to Marana, trying to slide his agency out from underneath the issues from within. You have to make an attempt to free an innocent man, bro.
So, I'll be honest with you. If I see something on a video that clearly shows that some wrongdoing happened, the investigation's out of our hands. It actually went to the Marana Police Department.
Oh, it's going to Marana Police Department?
Whatever had transpired in the station, I obviously wasn't there. I'm sure every officer you told me,
Right,
I wasn't there.
right.
I genuinely wasn't.
Okay, here we go with the lie. Let's rewind back and see if he was actually there.
Hey, how's it going? If I squeeze by you real quick?
Sure.
Thank you. I happen to know for a fact that can you move, man? You're blocking the doorway.
Whatever had transpired in the station, I obviously wasn't there. I'm sure every officer you told me,
Right,
I wasn't there.
right.
I genuinely wasn't. At the time, our officers, probable cause is a very low standard. It's a pretty minimal burden of proof. It's a fair probability of criminal activity. Okay.
Right.
So at the time, our officers had established probable cause for arrest.
Whoa, there's another lie. Let's see where the officers established probable cause for the arrest. If you ask me, this was the sole decision of Chief John Noland.
No, it shouldn't.
It shouldn't.
Right, it
For
shouldn't.
you to simply be told you're not.
All right, can we set that up on the...
Where do you want it?
Or what?
Step out of the
Or
way.
what, Chief Nolan? Chief, what the hell are you doing?
Take
Are you
this.
kidding me?
Let it go!
Take this.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not holding anybody. I'm not holding anybody.
This is your fault.
I'm not holding anybody.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but we should all know that the Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, and that includes the seizure of a person. And probable cause only exists when facts and circumstances within the officer's knowledge, based on reasonably trustworthy information that would lead a prudent person to believe that a crime has been committed, is being committed, or is about to be committed, and the person to be arrested committed it. And the crime was assaulting the police chief. So let's look back and see if that happened. Okay, we're going to slow it down and look for probable cause for an assault on the police chief. Police chief walks up, immediately puts his right hand on James's left arm. Then the police chief grabs James's left arm with his left hand, pins it to his chest. I still don't see an assault anywhere. Looks like John Nolan's right arm is going to reach up and around and grab James Freeman around the neck and then body slam him to the ground.
Or what?
Step out of the
Or
way.
what, Chief Nolan? Chief, what the hell are you doing?
Take
Are you
this.
kidding me?
Let it go!
Take this.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not holding anybody. I'm not holding anybody.
This is your fault.
I'm not holding anybody.
This is your
For what?
fault, counselor.
Why are you doing this? Stop.
Ready?
I'm in a public area.
Can you guys just back up?
Guys, stop.
I'm documenting the beating.
Nolan,
You've been
stop.
documented from back
Hey,
here.
call my wife.
Just back up. Are you-
Call all the Tucson guys. I'm not even resisting. You guys are pulling me in a different direction.
So at the time, our officers had established probable cause for arrest. That doesn't mean that Marana PD will agree.
Right,
Okay?
right,
Because at the end of the day,
right,
They
right.
walked up to him, didn't say he was under arrest.
Yeah.
Just attacked him, broke his camera.
Yeah, you can't just grab somebody around the throat unless they're under arrest
Yeah.
and resisting. It's
He
just,
never said you're under arrest. Even a cop can't grab. I walked up and grabbed someone by the neck without saying nothing, right?
yeah. Well, if you ask me, it's not looking very good for this department. Where are the good guys at? James, I'm not sure what you're talking about and where they're at, but we haven't met one yet. Let's see if this little boots on the ground regular officer has anything decent to say about what happened. Let's see if there's any transparency. How's it going, man? We're looking for James Springer. He was beat down in the police department. Can you radio into somebody real quick and get some information on that? We're on the hunt for him, bro. I'm just gonna sit here and film you all day, follow you around if you can't help me out. How old are you, man? Do all of you guys beat citizen journalists?
Yeah.
No?
Your chief just
It's your chief that did it.
he put him in a headlock because he had a camera.
Chief Nolan, right? Chief Nolan, right? Okay, got to give James the benefit of the doubt. Maybe this guy's a good guy. Is this one of the guys he's talking about? Or, wait a minute, is this Officer Lewis? Let's
Okay,
check.
what's your name and number?
Officer Lewis, SP 359.
Did you see what happened?
I did not.
Your eyes were shut? Was your body cam rolling?
I just barely got
Was your body cam rolling? Whose body cam was rolling? Raise your hand. Conveniently no one's, right? What's your name and number?
Sergeant Siebold, SP 255.
Did you see what happened? Are you a witness?
I did not.
Is your body cam running?
I do not have body on camera with me.
Convenient.
Huh? Is Chief Nolan?
He's the gang
Okay.
leader of your gang.
Hey, man, you should get a better job, bro. You look like shit in this position. I think you'd be a better individual somewhere else, bro. Shit's coming down on your department real quick, bro. It is.
Yeah.
I do got more questions. Let me plug you guys in real quick. Hold on. What? What? You're going to head out? You want me to back up a little bit, or can you make it? Hey, I'm going to follow you, man. I'm going to follow you.
Yeah, we got it. We need answers.
He said don't follow him, guys. What do you guys think I should do? Let's follow him. He'd be the only one that would know.
You see that?
Yes. Well, it's pretty obvious we're not going to get any accountability with anybody below the chief. So let's go above him. Let's go to Tom Homan, the mayor of Sahuarita, and these goons that he's got walking around here with the Nazi haircuts. Let's see if we can get them to even react to what happened. I'm going to stick on you guys like stink on shit.
Through the establishment of the Solid Waste Enterprise Fund.
You're going to try to arrest me, Medina?
Lacey, just 1 second. Mr. Miha, you're welcome to record, but it's really hard to hear the presentation while we're conducting the town's business with the background noise. So feel free to...
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
What was the name you called me?
I thought it was Mr. Miha.
Yeah, Jack Mehoff.
Yes. Well, Mr. Miha.
Okay, so what's your problem now?
It's hard to hear.
I'm not interrupting you. I'm very quiet. I'm whispering. So
I can hear you. This is meant for good acoustics. So if you could keep your voice down, we would appreciate it.
I'll whisper sweet nothings into the cop's ear then. Okay.
Please continue, Lacey. All right, so pursuant to our consultant's
Here we go again, buddy.
actually,
Your mayor's got your back.
the budget.
Mehoff. Mehoff. Jack Mehoff. Jack Mehoff. You got to say it faster. Jack Mehoff. Yeah. How you guys doing? Great. I'm with this man over here. I think Chief John Nolan did a pretty good job choke slamming that guy with no probable cause. What do you guys think? Well, that's fine. I mean, your smile is good enough. I know you understand me. And this town attorney over here, I know he understands. He was just laughing at that last one. But yeah, I mean, where do you guys think this should go next? Like, if you can't take this to the police department, where should this guy go? I know you can't respond, but I mean, should his friends resort to violence for him? Take people out? I mean, take it to the next level? What should happen here? I don't know what the next move would be for the average layman that can't file a civil 1983 lawsuit against you people. I think the town should be held liable. I think all you guys should be held liable. We all know that won't happen, right? I mean, you guys are all immune to any consequences and repercussions. That is until some psychopath on the internet, which we got a couple hundred people in here right now, they could show up at your houses. You know, they could look up any one of these names. I mean, you guys ought to deal with the problem. That way the psychopaths don't attack you. But then again, he is a ginger, so you should probably beat the shit out of him again. As he said to the police the last time I was getting arrested, tase him in the dick next time. I think that'll be a little more appropriate instead of beating him in the Sahuarita Police Department hallway there. But Mayor, I think you ought to think about this. Go home tonight and think about if your son, your wife, your family, anybody was chokeslammed by Chief Nolan, what you would want to do and what you would want to have happen. You know, hire another agency to investigate him or have one of his sergeants arrest him. I mean, you got to do something, right? Are you even trying? Is there any efforts with you people? And you got a nice smile on your face, and you are the vice mayor, so you're coming up next. You got gingers in your family?
Yes.
They should be choked.
My husband, my son.
They should be choke slammed too. You should bring them to the police department. All right. Well, I'm not going to waste any more of you guys' time. Figure your chief issue out, please, or we'll do it for you. The internet thugs will do it.
That's all the call.